guys! I'm home na. So earlier today may ka-meeting akong brand owner. And eto na nga guys, i-unbox na natin from Jevi Tokyo. So marami sila guys products for hair and skincare. And I have here lotion, shampoo, travel size na shampoo, and sample na kanilang body scrub. So, i-unbox natin one by one. First, let's unbox guys the shampoo. This is 300 ml shampoo made in Japan. And alam nyo ba guys kung anong maganda sa shampoo na to? This is made of 50% wild rose water. So, this deeply nourish and rejuvenate your hair. Oh, ganyan siya guys. So, napaka-minimalist ng kanyang bottle. So, excited na akong itry ito for a week before ako mag-release ng review. So, next naman tayo, yung kanilang lotion. So, yung lotion na to guys, pwede siya for face and body. So, i-open na rin natin. So, the lotion is 55 ml. This is also guys made in Japan. When you open the box, ayan, so ito yung kanyang 55 ml bottle lotion. Pump type siya guys, ayan. This is also made of natural ingredients, kaya naging interested ako sa product na to guys. And safe siya for sensitive skin. So next guys, itong travel size na shampoo naman. This travel size shampoo is good for 2 to 3 days. Ganyan naman guys yung kanyang packaging. And then next is yung kanilang sugar body scrub. Sample lang to guys. Ang bango. They have a bigger size for this. Ito pinapatry lang nila muna sa akin. Ang bango guys, grabe. Gustong gusto ko yung smell niya kasi yuzu no kaori. So citrus. Ayan. So, hanggang dyan na lang muna guys. So, I will try to use this product for a week and I will share to you my review. But I think hindi ako madi-disappoint sa product na to guys kasi made of natural ingredients siya. And knowing na yung shampoo is made of 50% wild rose water, o diba sa ingredients pa lang, alam mong healthy product siya. Ilalagay ko guys sa comment section yung Facebook page and Instagram link ng Jevi Tokyo so that you can check their products and details about the brand. So hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog na to. Thank you so much for watching. Always be beautiful and be kind. Till the next one guys. See ya!